Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. It's time for our triple play, where the three of us take a look at the tickers that we are watching that are moving markets on today, March 28th. So my pick for the day is Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation with the ticker symbol HYMC. Now, shares in this precious metals development company jumped over 30% in early trading and even surged by over 80% at one point in the afternoon. We now see that it's up about 75% right now. Now, we did see that on Friday, the company completed its $138 million at-the-market equity offering program. Plus, you got to see that these meme stock deals keep coming. Now, this is coming on the heels of meme stock AMC and precious metals investor Eric Sprott committing to put $28 million each into Hycroft. The stock is still down year over year, though.
Yeah, I thought it interesting, Rochelle, that on a day that we're talking about the death of big movies and even movie theaters, that AMC, who bought Hycroft, popped today about $8 a share, almost 40%. So the memers like the strategy that AMC is going forward with, even though we acknowledge it appears that movie theaters and big blockbuster films as we know it may in fact be a thing of the past, as Apple, the first ever streamer to take home big best picture. How big a change will that warrant ahead for the movie industry? Time will tell, but it doesn't look that good for movies as we know it. All right, my play is Amazon. They are the first of the big mega cap tech stocks to erase all their losses from this year. Amazon announced, of course, that 20-for-1 stock split a few weeks ago. And you look at other e-commerce giants, they have defied the trend there. eBay's down 10+% this year. Both Etsy and Wayfair are down 30+% for the year, but Amazon up more than 13% this year, again, erasing all of their losses from the year. And right now, the stock today up $77 a share, AMZN about 2.3%, 33.72 on the day. Amazon, by the way, the first streamer to get nominated for his Best Picture. Do either of you remember the movie that Amazon was first nominated for? That's our trivia.
That's good trivia right there. I don't remember the movie, I'll be honest.
Rochelle?
Me either. No
Manchester
idea.
by the Sea.
Oh, yes, that's right. That's right.
Not a
Never
film
would have
I
gotten that.
enjoyed. Not one I loved at all. Thumbs down to that.
Yeah, indeed. You know, it's interesting, since we've got the mega cap tech stocks there on the screen a moment ago, thinking about some of the moves that we've seen recently from Amazon in context of some of the other big cap tech stocks, as you were laying out a few of them, naturally, Alphabet comes to mind, still down year to date by about 3%, but well off of some of those year to date lows that we have been tracking as well. You think about Facebook naturally and bring them into the FANG conversation, or meta platforms, if you will. Of course, we should say meta platforms. It's just me that's stuck in the past, I suppose. But Facebook stock is also stuck in the past as well in comparison to relative levels that we've seen it at previously. And so that's still trying to get out of its own ditch. So for this move that we've seen with Amazon, it does come with, of course, this broader context of all of the different categories that they've been able to use that behemoth of AWS profits to invest further into, helping them to stabilize a little bit more. We'll see what some of the stock splits, especially for Alphabet, mean later on this year and how they continue to perform. But that's a good look at some of those other mega cap tech stocks and seeing how they're performing in comparison here on the day, but then also going forward from this point too. And then just briefly here to round out our triple play on the day, let's talk about some sneakers here. Skechers, yes, it's the S, I believe was the campaign at one point, but Martha Stewart is saying it's me joining Skechers here on the day with this partnership. And they're actually now, they were lower for much of the trading activity on the day. They're now fractionally higher here for the ticker symbol SKX. And so you were just seeing there a moment on the screen, the move, and you're seeing this announcement, of course, this partnership with Martha Stewart. It's really focused more on that leisure wearer of the shoe. We've seen previously Skechers get more into some of those performance brands. They're a performance category, rather. They even partnered over the years with some of the Bryan brothers, I believe, on the golf front. They have partnered with Tony Romo as well. And so all of this in mind in the context, it's really been a brand that has looked across the different types and personas of purchasers that they want to see, whether that be in leisure or whether that be in performance. And whether that means Kim K is a as a partner, or whether that means Martha Stewart is a partner, or Tony Romo, or any of the other like, they're certainly going to strike up some of these partnerships that allow them to hit each of these different demographics that they are going at to really round out their consumer base. But there you're seeing over the past year to date here, we'll see if they can get back into positive territory here on the day, at least, though, seeing some gains of about 0.25% with this move.
You love your sneaks, Brad. Have you ever tried the Skechers?
I have not since like third grade. I tried them on at the store, and that's all I did. They didn't make them out the store with me, at least.